The Ford f6jl-12b523-ba is an ECM module commonly used for Genie lift engine controls. We received this module with a power supply issue and bad corrosion, which had eaten through several traces on the interface connector. We repaired all the trace damage and the power supply, and then developed a complete and full simulation test, which allowed the ECM to run as if it was installed in the Genie lift. As shown in the video, we simulate all the needed sensors, which allow us to have the module turn on and then think it's firing the injectors. Throughout this test, we are able to change the speed through our simulated throttle, and then see the results on the injector outputs in terms of speed. At ERD, we are the only service company with full simulation on a number of ECMs used in a variety of machines and construction equipment. This list is growing by the week as we are adding new products from a variety of manufacturers, including CAT, John Deere, and Komatsu to name a few. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.